Let's move on to the next domain, wealth management support. Tell me, does Titleist provide investment services and what does it look like?
We do. So we have an investment committee of 6 people, 2 co-CIOs. We do have models that we manage in-house at 15 basis points for those advisors who want to farm off the day-to-day of asset management. We're finding more and more times of talking with prospective advisors that even those who've been running models for a while, more and more of them are realizing they're not adding as much alpha to these returns over the periods of time. And they're trading off that versus networking, building their book, servicing their existing clients. And it's becoming more obvious to some of these advisors, it's better just to farm that off to us. Now, we do have advisors that run their own models and they continue to do so. So we're agnostic to that. It's not a mandate whatsoever for an advisor to affiliate with Titleist that they use our models.
Okay. Does the firm provide access to any insurance resources?
We do. So we're set up with Texas insurance and other probably 7 or 8 different states as well. We do insurance. We also have our own broker dealer, which is called Titleist Capital. So for those advisors who have some broker dealer business and they want to keep it in-house, so to speak, we're not farming that off either to an outside broker dealer like a PKS or somebody that's going to take a haircut. We're a true hybrid in our offering.
How about tax resources? Do you provide any at this time?
Currently, we have a relationship with our corporate CPA that we've referred quite a few clients and advisors' clients to. They do a phenomenal work. They're based out of Austin. So we have that as a third-party referral at this time.
Okay. And do you provide access to alternative investments for advisors?
We do. We have an investment committee that specializes in alternatives. And I will say, to be really candid, that's not been a big space that we've been interested in for quite some time. But we do recognize, especially with the high net worth and ultra high net worth investors, that's an area that we need to have access with. So we have a alternatives investment committee that works directly with a group out of Austin who is one of the founders is on the UTIMCO board and manages several very large family offices. So we have access to a lot of alternatives that are what's traditionally known as friends and family. These aren't alts that you see on the street, that they're going to the public markets, because typically those are not the most advantageous if they're reaching public markets at that point.